Rotary's contribution to the polio eradication movement of India, and more particularly to the difficult time in 1994 when we had first planned about it, dreamt about it, and when we were plagued by plague at that time, just before our 2nd of October 1994. But for the great contribution of Rotarians, I still remember that I never expected, but all the Rotarians early in the morning ensured that from the 41 regional vaccine stores, they will get up early in the morning, or maybe you can say late in the midnight, get into their cars, go to the regional vaccine store, pick up the vaccine carriers with the polio vaccine at -20 degrees centigrade and deliver it before 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at the 4,000 polio kendras that we had created all over the city. It has been a long association with Rotary. I know the contribution that you have made to the polio eradication movement of the whole world. It's not only supporting the movement physically, not only ensuring that the true drops of vaccine enter into the mouth of the millions of children, but also contributing liberally. It's almost $1 billion rupees that have been contributed by Rotary as far as I know. And on behalf of my Prime Minister, I would love to express our gratitude to the Rotarians for supporting the fight against COVID with almost donations and other equipments, etc., worth 200 crores of rupees. I am familiar with many other movements that have been initiated by Rotary in the recent years, and I have been witness to the birth of those movements.